Hey guys, in today's news update, I want to talk about should you take erectile dysfunction medication? This is Arnold Broad here for Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. On the upside, ED meds are really amazing. They help men who have weak erections have stronger ones. And they help men who cannot get erections finally have them. I mean, really, what more can you ask for? Unfortunately, there is a downside. Erectile dysfunction meds work on symptom relief only. And what that means is, whatever the underlying cause of your ED is, it's not really ever dealt with. Erectile dysfunction is like the check engine light in your car. It's telling you that something serious may be happening under the hood. Taking ED meds and ignoring the underlying causes is like putting duct tape over the check engine light. Just because you cannot see the warning light, it doesn't mean that the trouble has gone away. And that is the real danger of erectile dysfunction medications. And it's not the large number of side effects, but it is in ignoring the warning signs that ED is flashing. So, what to do? What you want to do is take ED meds as a stopgap and use my preferred method of nitric oxide therapy to help repair the main underlying causes of your erectile dysfunction. Just click the link below this video to see my ED repair page and understand what's going on. And if you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. And to view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.